You're pulling snot out my nose with your window down. I appreciate that. So, what's your name and what's in here, man?
I'm Dan Curran, and this is JacobViral, right there, in case y'all didn't know. We got 4 DD 9921s on 4 Crossfire 8Ks. Kind of a conglomeration of Crossfire, DD, and B2 mids and highs.
Okay. Did you adjust your ported section at all?
No, literally, we built this in 6 days and haven't touched it since.
Wow. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Do you know your cubic space sizes at all? Have you got any math on that?
A 2 to 1.3 or some weird ratio. Hunter Martin designed it.
Okay.
I give him all the credit.
All right. What's up, sexy? Yeah, man, I love to hear it.
This guy right here is the, if you look in the back, there's a gap in the box that adds DD. This is the guy that built it.
I built it? Okay.
He's my carpenter guy right here. He's the man. Right. This is his
I don't know about that.
I'm telling everybody about your gap. Oh, shit.
All right, yeah, man, I love to hear it, Dan.
She's got a demo in her before it gets really hot today.
Nah, probably not.
What kind of electricals do you have?
Two Brand X 390s and 3 9-year-old North Star 480s.
All right, still working.
Still on AGM.
All right.
Yeah, it's going lithium soon. But
all right.
I got to keep up with this guy. It's hard.
What guy?
You, sir.
I don't see anybody else.
I'm gonna look at the back and check out the amp and all.
Absolutely, brother. Here, you want me to pop it open? So you can see
Yeah, I would love to. Yeah, man, awesome. Thank you. Ooh. Oh, so you got a stop wall that you could actually remove.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You gotta remove it. We just hinge it.
Oh, there you go. Nice.
Song that YouTube's just gonna kick right off.
Snapping leads and using anal beads. It's DJ. Pull up on you.
I get those goosebumps every time. I need that every time.
It's DJ Russ.
You come around, you make everything feel fine. Where are those cons? I'm way too numb. It's way too numb. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that high. Throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time. Throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time.
You're pulling snot out my nose with your window.